Hi, I'm Enzo. This is a story of my master Denny. In my short life here on Earth, we have been through a lot together. We have suffered a death in the family, fought a custody battle, and celebrated many wins throughout Denny's career as a race car driver.
Come on, Enzo, let's go to the library to borrow this book before everyone